Hey there, my name's Raymond. Welcome to my gig. If you're looking for a banner for your website, then you've come to the right place. I know how hard and time consuming it is to make banners for yourself or to not even know what type of website banner you need for your site. That's why I made this gig so that I could help you design your website banner for your site. Whether your site's about beauty, business, sales, equipment, lifestyle, fitness, I make all those types of banners. When it comes to website banners, I make the best. I've literally been making them all day, every day for about 3 years or so on my computer over there. And I've gotten pretty good at making them. Just click to the right of the video to see some of my recent work and scroll down at the page to see some reviews of my work. Now, I make the website banners pretty quickly. I also offer the source file for commercial use and also unlimited revisions. So in case you're interested, I also have separate gigs in which I make YouTube banners, Twitch, Twitter, and Facebook banners. Let me know if you're interested in some of those. Alright, so feel free to place your order now or just simply message me in the inbox for any questions you might have. I look forward to hearing and working with you soon, and take it easy.